3 tips on how to reduce or eliminate risking too much and being greedy. Now, this is a big struggle for many traders. Tip number 1, you need to have daily loss limits. Just like a prop firm, you need to give yourself these daily, weekly loss limits. So this could be either in a dollar terms or percentage terms. For me personally, I have it in percentage terms when it comes to losses. So if I reach a certain percentage as a loss or certain trades in a row as a loss, that's when I stop. The same thing goes if I am in profit. Remember, we're talking about greed here. We're talking about risking too much. So you just give yourself a limit of how much you can risk per day and you don't go above that. Now, this is very important that you have these daily limits, because you might start the day off well, but then your mental capital goes down, either because you're fatigued, either because you've lost a bit of focus. It's normal. This is what happens. You are going to make mistakes mostly at the end of the day. So it's very important that you have these limits. Another quick tip is for you to walk away after a big win. So whether you win 1, 2 or 3 trades in a row, it's up to you to decide. When you're feeling a bit too overconfident, a little bit too euphoric, just walk away. Just review the trade, journal it, and go ahead and do something else. Don't go ahead and start looking for more opportunities. You've already done your job. Reward yourself for it. Don't give back the profits you've just made. How many times have you been in a situation where you've won a series of trades or you've done well in the week? You then continue to trade and you ended up giving it some of it, or if not all back, or even more, and you're now in a loss compared to how you started. So that's a quick tip number 2. Third tip is you need to find the times when you do go overboard, when you do risk too much, when you do become too greedy. This is why it's important to have a trading journal. With the trading journal, you're going to notice when you tend to make this mistake the most. Is it at the start of the day? Is it at the end of the day? Is it when you are trading indices instead of just sticking with FX, or vice versa? Whatever the pattern, whatever negative behavioral pattern or emotional pattern that occurs where you risk too much and you get greedy, find the pattern, find the root cause, find the correction, apply the correction. Right guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Take care everyone.